Hello, and welcome to day 5, Friday, May 28th. It's Friday, that means it's an async day. We will not meet in class on Zoom together on Zoom as a class, but I do have office hours. We'll have office hours from 10 to 11 to help anybody who has any questions about the essay. Also, remember it's the end of the month, so that means you need to read your 4 Spark articles to make progress. Let's see what you have to do for async. You have one activity, and it is a Spark article. Hi, how may I help you? And then you're going to answer this question here in the comment section. Okay, you'll answer this question after you read in the comment section. And that's it for today. It's a long week. Enjoy, work on your essay, and read Spark. Good luck.